Profitable greetings to all those watching this video. Especially for you, I launch this stream of money and charge everyone for real results. And while the money keeps flowing, be sure to like this video and check your subscription. Otherwise my success conspiracy won't work. Well, now let's make these bills real, and together with you in this video we will earn a couple of coins. Why else are we here? Are you ready? Let's get started. Well, the currency pair Euro and British Pound is in the next line. Sweet schedule which I will now quickly analyze, then follow my thoughts. The pinnacle has been marked and the level of support has been also marked. Let's immediately combine these points with the endpoints. We have observed a general decline in the chart, but there are two tops that still managed to break through the resulting box, thereby showing that the price may actually go beyond the established limits. Judging by them and the last large candlesticks of growth, we can highlight the potential for the price rise and open a deal for an increase until the third minute. Everything is simple here. Open at a broker and did a job. Now let's go back. Here we look at the local levels that the price should break through. I marked the next resistance level, and now let's switch to per minute frame time. And let's see what is there. All the same growth potential that I talked about. This was evident in the daily chart, and we received confirmation in a minute chart also. Look at the support levels, the first one and second. Lows are rising, and heights are also piling up to them. As a result, having gone through all these stages of temporary falls, the price right now starts to grow, and we entered this deal together with you. And oh my god! How sweet, appetizing, delicious and just incredibly though the price has been rising. The graph has set at such a pace that he is unlikely to want to go to the bottom. This plays into our hands. We can be more confident in the final. However, I suggest that you take your time and wait for the result, because jumping to the conclusion can lead to more unpleasant consequences. It may seem that luck is right there, but no, sometimes and even very often you can be broken off. Our deal was successfully closed with the plus, and this is our money rain. You notice how abruptly the jump occurred, and now we successfully opened a deal exactly at the support point. It's just unrealistic juicy signal by which we were able to fix the profit. Don't forget to pause the video and analyze the schedule yourself. This way you can practice your vision and then increase your chances of making money in the real world. To further increase your chances, you can like this video. And well, let's continue to work with the pound and look at its relationship with the USD. Immediately mark the current volume with a frame and let's immediately mark the price vector after the support level. Obvious growth might be thought, right? Let's also draw a line with respect to the previous indicators. And now look at the big picture. The shadow of the local top also hints at an increase, but then active sales and a decline in prices begin with a further reversal. In the current case, I am waiting for another one drop down, and here I think we can open a short trade. Why not? Let's drop 300 and see how well we enter it. Just managed to enter the rising candle, and here it has room to fall. Let me remind you that short trades are dangerous, but at the peak of the candle you can look for such signals and try to enter them. Very often with proper analysis everything should work. What about me? I myself would rarely get into such short deals. In such situations, I need more confidence in what is happening, and for this I use an auxiliary tool, a scalper bot, a robot that analyzes patterns inaccessible to humans and gives advice on how exactly he needs to act in the conditions of this chart. There are many videos on the channel about how exactly they need to be used, but right now you see how easily his predictions pay off. I locked in my profit on this short trade thanks to the bot's prediction, and if you also want to earn like that, the link is in the description. As a result, what do we get? In the chart I have outlined the general picture of the price and its movements. Starting from the support level, the price began to grow, and notice how we successfully chose the very candlestick that made everything move down and brought us a profit. As I expected earlier, the trend is up, which means that the chart will continue to grow. This is obvious here. Our task was only to fix the profit on time, which we did. And even now, have you noticed how the currency continues to rise? But now we can already leave it alone, because we were able to make money on this. Sometimes we need to stop on time. If you won't do this, you can lose all earning for the day or even the entire budget. So keep your head cold. In each video I try to explain to you as clearly as possible, and only you can appreciate the quality of our effort. Write in the comments your impressions of the video. We read each of them, and if you have any questions, you can always write them there and we will try to answer them. Let's develop our community, and for today, that's all. Did you like the video? Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make crazy profits together with the Scalper bot.